one more red candle. Yeah, in case of correction doji, I have a way of finding if it's correction or not. Okay, so when will you enter? I'm asking you people. So till fifth condition you are clear. You saw the doji. So when will you enter? Correction, I'll tell you. Shehzad, I'll tell you. Don't worry. Second red candle, yes. Second red candle. You have to see a red candle after the doji, and you have to make sure that that red candle is there. Then the next candle you will enter. Is it clear? Second red candle. Doji and red, then you will enter. You won't enter on that red candle. Just after the doji, if there is a red candle, you won't enter. You have to make sure that that red candle is full, and then only you will enter. And that red candle shouldn't be okay. Wait. Sixth condition is enter on the second red. Second consecutive red candle. Okay, second consecutive red candle. Thanks. Now it starts being red, then you can. Yes, second after the doji. Yes. True. If second candle goes green, that's what I'm telling. It will not go green. If all the other conditions are satisfied, it won't go green. Astitva, be optimistic. It won't go. All these conditions are satisfied, it won't. Especially the buy to sell quantity. Clear, right? Oh yeah. That is the seventh condition. Shyam Karpuri, have you attended my candlewick session? I'll tell again, don't worry, but then yeah, that is why you do one thing, you contact Tej right now and ask him and give your name for the candlewick session. Please. But you will understand, don't worry. So suppose the first red candle after the doji is a big one. First red candle after doji is a big one, then don't enter. Then don't enter. Clear? If the first red candle after the doji is a big one, like if it's a big one, you will understand, right? If it's a big one or a small one, like a really big one, then don't enter. Yeah, right? With condition. Okay. Flat. If it's a very big red candle, the tendency is you will enter only after that big red candle, right? So the tendency, you won't lose any money, but then you won't be profit. So by that time, during that time you can find a better stock, right? It will go in a flat. It will go like this and it will start going in a flat like this. If you want, you can use RSI indicators. It's up to you. I don't have a say in that. You don't have to use it. You just need these conditions. So is it clear? And please make sure that if you are trading each and every single day, please read these conditions before you trade each and every time. Please read. Because if you read and go, then you won't make mistake. If you have made a mistake, just think whether you have read it or not. You might have forgot one condition or two conditions. Has that happened to you? That's what I'm asking you. It has happened to me. I'll send it. I'll send it. Even before I trade, I read all the conditions so that I don't miss it. Because I'll miss it. I'll be very, see, you are trading with your own money, right? So you'll be always cautious. You'll be very test. Okay. Why did you make that much lower? What if it is a correction? Akash, you contact me, okay? You just text me right now. Is that Akash who contacted me yesterday? What if Doji doesn't come? Doji doesn't come, don't trade. But then, see, why I'm asking you to trade after seeing a Doji? See, do you feel that? Okay, okay. For the strategy, it's almost 8 conditions, right? Normally, it's 4 conditions, right? 3 or 4 conditions, right? So this is because I'm training new people, right? And you haven't started yet. Okay. So if for me, if I don't see a doji also, I'll try trading. That's because I have experience and I know the stocks, I know the fundamentals. Each and every stock I'm trading. Target is 0.5 percentage. Please don't take more than 0.5 percentage. Please don't take more than. So that is why I'm giving you more conditions. So trade only when doji comes. So slowly, after 2 or 3 months of trading experience, point three is also fine, Harish. Harish, totally fine. Point three. Why do you want to make a lot of money? Want to make money, then you will make money. Don't worry. It doesn't mean that you have to make a lot of money in the first go itself. Yeah, wait for doji. Wait for doji. It's fine. Doji, I'll tell you. Okay. So doji is that I have sent you a telegram. Vikram, I have sent you a telegram photo, right? Vikram, only Vikram will, yeah. So in that you can see a doji is there. That thing which looks like 2 lines cross. Yeah, plus sort of. Yeah, that should come. So the green will come, and that doji should come. That is that should come. That should come in the chart. That's it. So what if there it's a correction? We don't know if it's a correction or not. So that is the eighth condition. That is the last condition. Okay, last condition. What if it is a correction? So that is your concern, right? Everyone's concern, right? Please respond. I have to finish it off fast before 9:45. So what if it is a correction? So there are two types of chart. Okay. So one will be